If you want to make your WhatsApp chats more unique and fun with animated stickers, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your own GIFs into WhatsApp stickers step by step, so you can use them in your chats right away. First, open up your WhatsApp app. Go to any of your chat. Open up the keyboard. Here on the left side, tap on this sticker icon from where we use emojis. Then press on this icon. Tap on Create. Choose any picture from your gallery you want to convert it into a sticker. Like I am selecting this cat image. Automatically, WhatsApp will cut out this image into a sticker. This is the whole image and this is the cutout. Further, you can edit by tapping on this pencil icon. Press Done and send to the chat. Now, if you want to use this sticker in future, then simply tap on it and add it into your favorites. Now you can use this sticker in all your chats. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.